Hello everyone, I'm Ashrita and I'm excited to introduce you to my first website, and it is named as Tasty Bites. This is a fully responsive recipe website developed as a part of my journey with club, which is named as PepsiCo. Whether you are a cook or just looking for a quick recipe inspirations, my website has all the recipes in it and you can have a look at it. And if you are exploring a variety of delicious recipes, you can check it out. Whether you are using a desktop, tablet or mobile phone, the website is designed to provide a smooth and easy browsing experience for everyone. So this is the home page of it. We can see a navigation bar with simple and easy effects. It has a certain links attached to it. They are home, about, recipes and contact. In recipes, we can have some categories like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, fast food, beverages, desserts and healthy recipes, through which they can search for the required recipe a bit easily. As we scroll down, we can see the welcome section over here, and here we can see the quote, and we can also see the search box through which you can search the required recipe. As we scroll down furthermore, we can see the must try recipes over here, and here you can see the topmost 6 recipes which are present in my website. And if we want to know the recipe of this, you can click the view recipe option over here, and then it will direct you to a separate page where the ingredients and the instructions for the separate recipe is present, and by this we can follow them and do the recipe very easily and properly. And next, in the same way, if you want any other recipe, you can check it out. And now if we go to the about page, in the about page we have about who we are and our mission, like why we started this website and everything. You can all check the points and etc. If you wanted to learn more about the website, you can go and click on learn more. It will direct you to the contact page, and in contact page you can send us a message or anything to get in touch with us for further queries. In this contact page we have the contact information like address, email and phone number, and on the left side we have send us a message, to which you can send us a message by placing your name, your email and the matter you wanted to convey to us, and click on submit. And next we have the recipe section. Then in the recipe section we have certain categories over here like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, fast food, beverages, desserts and healthy recipes. If we see the vegetarian recipes, for example, we have 5 recipes over here, and in each card we can see the description of the recipe and view recipe option. If you wanted to know the recipe of the particular recipe, we can click on view recipe option. It will direct you to a separate page where you can see the ingredients required for the recipe, and if we scroll furthermore, we can see the instructions needed for preparing the recipe, and if we follow all these steps, we can definitely prepare a recipe properly and easily. And in the same way, you can check it out any recipe you want, which is present over in my website. Now if we go to non-vegetarian category, we can also find 5 of the recipes, and if you want you can click any of the recipe and check out the recipe which has ingredients and instructions for the recipe. Now in the same way, if you want to check it, you can also check about fast food and beverages and etc. Like if we see in fast food, we also have 5 recipes, and in beverages we can also find 5 of these. And if you wanted to view recipe of anything, click on view recipe option. It will redirect you to this page, and here you can find ingredients and instructions for the recipe as before one. And in the same way, you can check out any of these options in desserts, healthy recipes also. Now this is about the recipe section, and now let's go to the home page. So this is all about the website Tasty Bites, a responsive and user-friendly recipe website where you can explore everything from vegetarian to non-vegetarian dishes, desserts and drinks. You can check out the project and code on my GitHub, and please leave your thoughts and feel free to fork the project and make it your own. Thanks for watching. This is all about Tasty Bites. Thank you.